Hi everyone. Preserving the heritage, promoting the future. The Harley-Davidson Softail Heritage is a beloved motorcycle, celebrated for its classic design and timeless appeal. However, it often finds itself in the shadow of the more muscular fat boy due to its narrower frame. Yet, it is precisely this narrower frame that makes the Heritage stand out in custom projects like this one. The slender swing arm, a key feature of the Heritage, is what draws in our customers, those who seek a sleek, refined look that doesn't compromise on style or performance. In this project, the vision was clear: transform the Heritage into a hip bobber with a solo seat and a swinging rear fender. The challenge was not only to make the bike look stunning but also to ensure that the rear tire had ample clearance within the fender. This detail is crucial, as it guarantees that the tire can move freely, enhancing both the bike's aesthetic and functionality. To achieve this, we carried out the conversion meticulously in our welding shop, crafting a custom setup that ensures perfect alignment and spacing. One of the most striking modifications on this custom build is the installation of the FLH wheels. These wheels are not just an upgrade, they redefine the bike's proportions, giving it a more commanding presence on the road. The large 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, finished in a sophisticated black powder coat, are part of the Black Baron collection, adding an element of bold elegance to the motorcycle. The transformation doesn't stop there. The entire build is elevated by the handcrafted leather seat, courtesy of Spirit Leather. This seat, along with the matching leather bag, saddle, and dashboard cover, brings a cohesive and luxurious feel to the bike. The Leatherworks pattern is both contemporary and timeless, perfectly complementing the new Heritage theme that this custom project embodies. Parts and upgrades include Telefork Lowering Kit, Stage 2 Shock Lowering Kit, Rear Brake Disc Spoke 292mm, Front Brake Disc Spoke 300mm, Special Rear Fender, Custom Handlebar, Joker Mirrors, Front Stripe LED Turn Signals, Rear Kellermann Bullet Auto Turn Signals, Kess Tech Exhaust System, Spirit Leather Seat and Leatherworks, Rear and Front Axle Cover Set, Side Mount License Plate. This Harley-Davidson Heritage, now transformed into the Black Baron by Thunderbike, is more than just a motorcycle. It's a tribute to Harley-Davidson's enduring legacy and a bold statement of what the future holds for custom bikes. Each detail has been thoughtfully considered, ensuring that this machine not only looks incredible but rides with the confidence and grace that every Harley-Davidson owner expects. Thanks for watching.